To remove and replace the Skags on your Polaris Khaos, follow these steps. When replacing Skags, always replace in pairs, and follow all warnings listed in the owner's manual. Park the snowmobile on a flat level surface. Safely raise the sled so the skis are at least 6 inches off the ground. Next, remove the 3 Skag nuts inside the ski, and remove the Skag. Inspect the Skag for wear or damage, and replace if necessary. Next, align the Skag studs to the ski mounting holes and install the Skag. Then install the 3 Skag nuts and torque to specification. Once complete, safely lower the snowmobile to the ground. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.